Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel 12 Steps, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can log in into your American Airlines employee account. Just follow some simple steps that I will show you on this video, and then you can log into your American Airlines account as well. First of all, open up your Google browser and then go onto your search bar and just type for American Airlines employee login. And after doing so, just click on the first link that pops up. And this will take you to the official login site of American Airlines, where now you need to input your AAID and passport. Just input your AAID and passport, but in case you forgot your passport, you can use this button Forgot Passport to help you reset and retrieve it. But in case you are logging in for the first time, you can use this button First Time User, and this will take you to a different space where you need to input your passport and AAID again, but it will guide you through the process of how this site works. After doing so and inputting your credentials right here, tap on login and then you'll be logged in into your American Airlines employee account. And that's how you can log in into your American Airlines employee account. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.